You might have heard how a few affiliate insiders are making money with massive buyer traffic. They just choose an affiliate program, get free traffic, and make huge affiliate commissions. I should know because I'm one of the insiders. Just look at some of my daily profits for December 2018. Sounds great, right? But how can you copy me for December 2018, January 2019, and beyond? Well, that's where the traffic bots come in. Here's the easy 3-step formula I follow. Step 1. First, we need to choose a profitable niche. And I do this with 2 free traffic softwares. First, I use my niche money software to find over 100 7-figure niches for e-commerce, Amazon, Clickbank, and JVZoo affiliates. Now, Niche Money is preloaded with thousands of profitable keywords for each of these niches. But how do we know which of these keywords will give us free traffic? To find out, simply log into My Keyword Titan software and search for your buyer keywords. The software automatically finds the most profitable keywords that will give us the fastest free traffic. Step 2. Now we've found the most profitable Google and YouTube keywords, so it's time to actually get free traffic and make money. This is the most important step of all, which is why I use 2 powerful new approaches. Firstly, we rank YouTube videos on Google without even needing a website. And the easiest way to do this is with my affiliate video bot software. This includes over 1,000 pre-made scripts and slides, pre-recorded for over 100 of the top-selling JVZoo and Clickbank affiliate programs. Simply choose a niche, pick an affiliate program, choose from over 500 template slides and voiceovers, and motion graphics special effects. Then click to render your video. Secondly, you can create videos with my Website to Image and Image to Video softwares. By launching the Website to Image software, which is preloaded with over 100 top affiliate programs, simply choose the affiliate program you like, click Export, and head over to My Image to Video tool. Then render your video and put it live on YouTube in seconds. It may sound incredible, but it's taken us less than 2 minutes to choose a niche, find a profitable keyword, pick a red-hot affiliate program, and create a YouTube video. Step 3. Get free Google traffic. Now, like I say, we can use videos to get free YouTube traffic, but we can also rank websites on Google too. And that brings me to my second approach, using my Domainavelli software and my Titan WordPress theme. We can also launch Google-friendly websites in seconds. Now, here's how it works. First, I use my Domainavelli software to find the best domain names for each keyword. Domainavelli runs over 100 domain searches to find the best available domain name. Now we simply register our domain name and install my done-for-you Titan theme. This gives you a Google-compliant WordPress authority site in seconds, and it doesn't stop there. Now that our videos and websites are getting free traffic and commissions, it's time to scale up to the big money. And that's where my SitesDB software comes in. SitesDB contains thousands of websites that we can get traffic from, with 8 exclusive traffic opportunities. Adverts that we can run on, AdSense that we can run ads on, affiliate programs we can join, email lists we can promote to, Facebook campaigns we can target. It's the ultimate database of low-hanging traffic opportunities for the top affiliate niches. And in case you thought that wasn't enough, you're entirely right. Because we've also included a new tool, TrafficDB. TrafficDB gives you over 2,000 traffic opportunities for my favorite niche, internet marketing, and make money. It's with this niche that I'm able to make daily profits like this. And in case you thought I was done, I've actually saved the best for last. Step 4. Take your profits to the stratosphere. Presenting GeoBots, the newest addition to the bots family. GeoBots allows you to increase the conversions in any website. How? By displaying custom content to the user's geographic location. Display different headlines, images, and any kind of HTML. For users in the Big 5 countries, and even the top 10 stories in the USA. And dynamically insert users' countries, cities, or regions into headlines. And I don't want to release this tool to the public, so it might not be around for long. After all, it's smashing split tests for me and generating results like this. So there you have it. Traffic Bots is a fresh new way to look at free traffic in December 2018. Bots get free traffic for the most profitable affiliate programs and in less time than was ever possible before. No matter the affiliate program we choose, the website we launch, or the video we create, we are instantly locked in on the money. And as of December 2018, we're finally playing the free traffic game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor. And doing it with my automated Google and YouTube loophole. So, can you imagine the kind of results you'd get with a new free traffic software this powerful? Well, stop imagining. Let me show you the rock-solid proof that's possible. So are you ready to take your free traffic and profits to the next level? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the Traffic Bots tool suite, including GeoBots, that increases your website conversions with geo-targeted content for 5 countries and 10 US states. Affiliate Video Robot, that creates videos for 100 affiliate programs with 1,500 voiceovers and motion graphic slides. Niche Money, preloaded with over 100 profitable niche keyword lists for Clickbank, Amazon, JVZoo, and e-commerce. Keyword Titan, find easy keyword opportunities with low competition on Google and YouTube. Website to Image, creates affiliate campaigns in seconds for over 100 JVZoo and Clickbank programs. Image to Video, that auto-creates profitable YouTube videos for any affiliate program in 60 seconds. Domainavelli, discover hidden premium domain names with the ultimate website name software. Titan Theme, a WordPress theme custom-built for Google traffic that ranks for keywords fast. SitesDB, a database of thousands of website and traffic opportunities for the biggest niches. TrafficDB, a database of traffic opportunities specifically for the internet marketing and make money niche. And that's just the traffic bot software. You'll also get $1,000 worth of training with 5 complete systems, covering Facebook, YouTube, affiliate marketing, Google SEO, a quick start guide that walks you through all of the softwares in one simple PDF document, plus videos where I explain all of my secret tricks, tips like these, and I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed, but you must act now. So click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally make money with free Google and YouTube traffic. This opportunity will only last so long, and I can only help so many people. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.